hole over there, the doorway. Got a couple pieces left. We'll see if I can get some caulking, fill up these holes, maybe some paint on there, and clean up this mess. Get ready for a brighter day. Start a little bit earlier tomorrow, get more work done. Little added feature, make the fireplace look nicer around there. Of course, we gotta paint that beige, tan, whatever you want to call it, yellow out of there. Do all the caulking. This is the one we did yesterday. As you see, still gotta put the second coat on, but we're getting it together, guys. Getting it together, little by little. Little by little, it's coming together. Guys, we got a new tool to work with. I'm gonna cut that piece of baseboard and put the last piece for the day up there. This is a Works oscillating multi-tool. I think I picked this up at Home Depot. Picked it up a while back. I just never used it, just unboxed it today. So it comes with a few bits, and I don't know how to use it, so I'm just going to figure it out together. So, let's see. I think I need this bit right here. Just going by what it says on the box. You can do plunge cuts, so I'm trying to do just a quick plunge cut into that piece of baseboard and get it off. It says you can do a plunge cut with that from the picture anyway. This is the bit. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's see which way it goes on. Looks like it goes on this way. We'll have to figure out how to put it on. So, I guess that's what the instructions will come for. Yep. So, let me read the instructions and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, I'm back. Basically, this thing right here, it comes with this. I read enough to get where I need to get to. So basically, this thing is rich, which unlocks this, spit it down and then unlock it enough where you can slide your bit in, nice and snug. Put it in there nice and tight and slide that back on. Now, has a speed control. I got it to about halfway, 3.5. Please excuse my table mess. It's my mess, I made it, I'll clean it. Pretty quiet. See what it does on 6. Wow. Let's try 6 first. Let's go all in. Woo! Cut pretty good. Could have cut that off. Let's see. Wow, I like it. Nice. I'll go from the tip down. I know this is not my usual workspace, which old-fashioned brush. started kind of late today, so it's already 6:30. Clean up my mess. Still got some caulking and paint to do. We got the window trim to do. Around the door, that's the one of the entry doors. So we still got to do the trim around there. Don't have enough, so we gotta get enough for 3 windows and the bottoms around from that corner all the way around that little eave to there, to the end of the door. We did this today. Just got to put some paint in the caulking, and then we did around the fireplace, and we got to paint and obviously caulk that also. So we're getting it together, guys. Getting it together, little by little.